When driving in a multi-lane roundabout, you should A. Change lanes before exiting the roundabout. B. Change lanes in the roundabout. C. Stay in your lane until you are ready to exit. Correct answer, C. Stay in your lane until you are ready to exit. You must yield to a pedestrian using a white cane or guide dog. A. Only if the pedestrian is obeying traffic controls. B. Only if a crossing guard is present. C. At all times regardless of the situation. Correct answer, C. At all times regardless of the situation. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 20 miles per hour, B. 25 miles per hour, C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. 15 miles per hour. When can you drive in a bike lane? A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. B. During rush hour. C. Whenever bicyclists are not present. Correct answer, A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. When you see a yellow arrow, it means A. The protected turning time period is ending. B. You should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. You have the right of way to turn. Correct answer, A. The protected turning time period is ending. Which of these statements is true about motorcycles? A. Motorcycles are less affected by wind and rain than passenger vehicles. B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. C. Motorcycles are slower and stop slower than expected. Correct answer, B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. Which of these statements is true about road construction zones? A. Fines are the same as for other traffic violations. B. Slow down only if you think workers are present. C. You must slow for the cone zone. Correct answer, C. You must slow for the cone zone. If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should A. Accelerate to gain more traction. B. Apply the brakes firmly. C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Correct answer, C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. When should you turn your headlights on? A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. B. Only during bad weather. C. Only when driving on rural roads. Correct answer, A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. When you change lanes or merge with another lane, you A. Have the right of way. B. Should first stop and check for cross traffic. C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. Correct answer, C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. When you see a roadwork ahead sign, you should A. Brake and be prepared to stop. B. Slow down and watch for road construction workers and equipment. C. Drive through the zone as quickly as possible. Correct answer, B. Slow down and watch for road construction workers and equipment. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. Honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. Increase your following distance. C. Get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer, B. Increase your following distance. You must file a report of traffic accident occurring in California, SR1, with DMV within 10 days if you A. Fail to pay your registration fees within 90 days. B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. C. Plan on being out of the state for more than 30 days. Correct answer, B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. A safety zone is a specially marked area for passengers to get on or off buses or trolleys. You may not drive through a safety zone. A. At any time for any reason. B. When a bus or trolley is present. C. Only when a bus or trolley is present. Correct answer, A. At any time for any reason. You are driving on a one-way street. You may turn left onto another one-way street only if A. A sign permits the turn. B. traffic on the street moves to the right. C, traffic on the street moves to the left. Correct answer, C, traffic on the street moves to the left. If there is no crosswalk and you see a pedestrian crossing your lane, you should A, make sure the pedestrian sees you before proceeding. B, cautiously drive around the pedestrian. C, stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. Correct answer, C, stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. If you are being tailgated, you should A, increase your speed to increase the distance between you and the tailgater. B, slow down to allow the tailgater to pass. C, move into the left lane to let the tailgater pass. Correct answer, B, slow down to allow the tailgater to pass. When you're merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A, at or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. B, 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than the traffic on the freeway. C, the posted speed limit for freeway traffic. Correct answer, A, at or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. When you enter traffic from a full stop, for example, pulling away from the curb, you A, should drive slower than other traffic for 200 feet. B, need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. C, should wait until your lane is moving. Correct answer, B, need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A, slow down and proceed with caution. B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C, proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. When driving in fog, snow, or rain, you should use A, high beam headlights, B, low beam headlights, C, parking lights. Correct answer, B, low beam headlights. You are driving on a 5-lane freeway in the lane closest to the center divider. To exit the freeway on the right, you should A, carefully cross all lanes at one time. B, change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. C, slow before beginning each lane change. Correct answer, B, change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A, your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B, your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C, one of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer, B, your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. What is the maximum speed limit on most California highways? A, 55 miles per hour. B, 65 miles per hour. C, 75 miles per hour. Correct answer, B, 65 miles per hour. What should you do if you see a roadwork ahead sign? A, speed up to pass the roadwork quickly. B, slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. C, stop and wait for further instructions. Correct answer, B, slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. Which of these statements is true about large trucks? A, trucks have fewer blind spots due to their size. B, it takes longer to stop a large truck than a regular car. C, large trucks are easier to maneuver than small vehicles. Correct answer, B, it takes longer to stop a large truck than a regular car. You must notify the DMV within 5 days if you A, get a new prescription for glasses. B, sell or transfer your vehicle. C, paint your vehicle a different color. Correct answer, B, sell or transfer your vehicle. What does a yellow diamond-shaped sign with a black arrow pointing to the left indicate? A, a sharp left turn ahead. B, a no left turn allowed. C, a left turn only lane. Correct answer, A, a sharp left turn ahead. If you are convicted of driving with an excessive blood alcohol concentration back, you may be sentenced to serve A, up to 6 months in jail. B, no jail time, only a fine. C, up to 1 year in jail. Correct answer, A, up to 6 months in jail. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A, your front wheels must be turned toward the street. B, your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. C, one of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer. B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. At intersections, crosswalks, and railroad crossings, you should always A. Stop, listen, and proceed cautiously. B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. C. Slowly pass vehicles that seem to be stopped for no reason. Correct answer. B. Look to the sides of your vehicle to see what is coming. Which of these statements is true about large trucks? A. They take longer to stop than passenger vehicles. B. They all have air brakes which allow them to stop quickly. C. They are more maneuverable than passenger vehicles. Correct answer. A. They take longer to stop than passenger vehicles. Which of the following statements is true about blind spots? A. They are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. Blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. A school bus ahead of you in your lane is stopped with red lights flashing. You should A. Stop, then proceed when you think all the children have exited the bus. B. Slow to 25 miles per hour and pass cautiously. C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. Correct answer. C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. When you tailgate other drivers, drive close to their rear bumper. A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry. B. Your actions cannot result in a traffic citation. C. You help reduce traffic congestion. Correct answer. A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with 2 lanes in each direction. The truck A. May complete its turn in either of the 2 lanes. B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C. Must stay in the right lane at all times. Correct answer. B. May have to swing wide to complete the right turn. If you are towing another vehicle or trailer on a freeway with 4 lanes in your direction, you may travel in A. Any of the traffic lanes in your direction. B. Either of the 2 right lanes. C. The far left lane. Correct answer. B. Either of the 2 right lanes. A flashing red traffic light at an intersection means A. Slow down before entering. B. Stop before entering. C. Stop and wait until it turns green. Correct answer. B. Stop before entering. When passing a bicyclist, you should A. Blast your horn to alert the bicyclist of your presence. B. Move as far left as possible in your lane to give extra room. C. Pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. Correct answer. C. Pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. You may legally block an intersection. A. During rush hour traffic. B. Under no circumstances. C. When you enter the intersection on the green light. Correct answer. B. Under no circumstances. To make a right turn at the corner, you A. May turn wide into any lane in the intersection. B. Must merge into the bicycle lane before turning. C. Should only merge into the bicycle lane if you stop before turning. Correct answer. B. Must merge into the bicycle lane before turning. Which of the following statements about blind spots is true? A. Blind spots are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. Blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A. cannot see the vehicle directly to your right. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. C. Have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. You must yield the right-of-way to an emergency vehicle by A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. B. Speeding up to clear the lane. C. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed. Correct answer. A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. If you're driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive A. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B. Further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer. B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer. A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. The safest precaution that you can take regarding the use of cellular phones and driving is A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. B. Keep your phone within easy reach so you won't need to take your eyes off the road. C. Review the number before answering a call. Correct answer. A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. What should you do at an intersection with a flashing yellow signal light? A. Stop before crossing the intersection. B. Slow down and cross carefully. C. Stop and wait for the light to change. Correct answer. B. Slow down and cross carefully. When making a right turn, you should A. Signal and turn immediately. B. Signal and reduce your speed. C. Turn immediately without signaling. Correct answer. B. Signal and reduce your speed. Which of these statements is true about driving and taking medications? A. Over-the-counter medications cannot impair your driving ability. B. Any medication is safe if prescribed by a doctor. C. Even over-the-counter medications can impair your driving ability. Correct answer. C. Even over-the-counter medications can impair your driving ability. You want to turn left at an upcoming corner. Give the right-of-way to A. All approaching vehicles. B. Oncoming vehicles also turning left. C. Pedestrians on the sidewalk waiting for a walk signal. Correct answer. A. All approaching vehicles. You may not park your vehicle A. On the side of the freeway in an emergency. B. Next to a red painted curb. C. Within 100 feet of an elementary school. Correct answer. B. Next to a red painted curb. Which of these vehicles must stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. B. Motorhomes or pickup trucks towing a boat trailer. C. Any vehicle with 3 or more axles or weighing more than 4,000 pounds. Correct answer A. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards.